Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a short tutorial on how to create a new Telegram wallet in Telegram. Now to do this, the process is very simple, easy and quick. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. Open up Telegram here and we will head over to the search bar on the top right. Click on top right and here, as you guys can see, I have recently searched wallet. Here you will type in wallet and select the first one that says boat, and now here you will see a start button in the bottom. Click on it and after that you will see this kind of interface. Now what you guys will do is click on open wallet. Now this will take you to the wallet and you guys need to accept some terms of services first. This is the initial interface of your Telegram wallet. You have just successfully created your Telegram wallet. All the assets and coins displaying here, and now what you guys need to understand is there are four main options given to you here: P2P market, person to person market, exchange option, add crypto and send. I'll explain this all in another video. Let's just stay on Telegram wallet. Now click on this settings icon on top left. Now here you guys need to add a verification just like I have did here. Click on passcode and fingerprint, enter the passcode, and you guys will add a passcode and fingerprint for your verification. You can set your language, you can select your currency, default currency you want to use. Now these are some of the basic options you guys need to explore. You have to also turn on tone space. Your tone space will appear here. Well, that was a quick tutorial how you can go and create a Telegram wallet. I hope you liked the video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.